Hi guys, we received this lamp for event purposes. It's a ceiling fan and a lamp, so it's gonna be really nice. It's a boho style lamp with some beds. So let's take everything out. Okay, as you can see, it has a black metal finish with a matte design, and it looks really nice. The contrast with the beds, they are from wood. So, well, in here we've got everything we need to assemble it. I'm gonna put it in here. So let's go. Okay, now it's ready. It looks really nice. It's very bright. I put 4 white bulbs with a cold temperature, and it looks really nice. The fan is reversible. You can go forward like now and reverse it. When you reverse it, it slows down and slowly change the way the fan blades go. So it's really nice. It has 6 velocities. You can put it for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours, and you can turn off the lights independently. So it's really nice. It's really easy to install. Now I really recommend it. See ya.